Hello colleagues, this is Thomas from Würth International Shanghai. Welcome to our today's in-depth exploration about ratchets. Before we start with the important details about ratchets, it is relevant to clarify the basic concepts of torque. Torque can be defined as a turning force that tends to cause a rotation around an axis, and it has a direct influence not only on the resistance of the tool, but also on its design and performance. Almost all ratchets on the market today are built from chromium vanadium steel, but quality may vary. Chrome vanadium is an alloy or a combination of metals designed to deliver a particular attributes, such as torque and shock resistance, strength and others. As these alloys are essentially the result of a recipe, their mix have a direct influence on quality. This is why users are far more likely to get the best combination of strength, durability and weight if they purchase a high-quality ratchet from a trusted brand. Despite also being made of chromium vanadium, like most brands on the market, red stripe ratchets have the right concentration of vanadium, an element that guarantees high hardness and strength. With an eye on convenience and ergonomics, helping to keep knuckle busting to a minimum, there is a smooth quick release button on the rear of the head to make socket swaps simple. The quick release button makes small, tough to grab sockets an easier process. It supports on releasing the socket from the face of the tool, making a convenient way to swap sockets for differentially sized fasteners without pulling them off by hand. Without this feature, a user will have to pull the socket off with their free hand, and in tight quarters, like while working under a car, they run the risk of smashing a hand into something when the socket pops loose. Additionally, greasy hands simply make sockets removal frustrating. Even sockets with non-slip textures can be a challenge to remove with just a little oil on their surface. Moreover, the tool counts also on a simpler changeover lever from clockwise to anti-clockwise position that allows a one-handed operation from end users. One of the biggest benefits of this ratchet is its gearing. It has 72 teeth count. It helps users to make progress on a fastener or bolt even in the tightest of situations, like inside a car wheels during a brake system job, since it requires just 5 degrees of swing to make progress on the fastener, whether tightening or loosening. A comparison with other brands in the market shows the limitations imposed by ratchets from other brands that offer just 2 less teeth on the gearing, making it nearly impossible to execute the job in confined and small spaces. Made of a composite of 2 materials, hard plastic, PP or polypropylene, covered with a non-slip soft material called TPR or thermoplastic rubber, the result is a padded, easy grip handle that feels comfortable and ensures the tool stays in place when lowered. This material mix on the handle is not only important for a better grip, but is also extremely resistant to oils, greases, dirt and other aggressive substances commonly found in workshops and construction sites, such as cement and solvents from paint. In terms of weight, heavier ratchets will obviously fatigue the user faster. Keep in mind that when working overhead, such as driving screws through the deck's board or under the car's body, even a lightweight ratchet can feel heavy and inconvenient. Having this in mind, red stripe ratchets are designed to deliver the maximum in terms of balance while being utilized, making sure the job will be done without tiring the user out. With red stripe, our professional partners will have a comfortable, decent and tough foundation for efficiently tightening fasteners and bolts, without the need of spending more for that.